Why you get so quiet? Huh? Huh, apartment 23, why did you get so quiet? What happened to all that noise you were making just now? At 6 o'clock in the morning on a Friday morning. What happened to all that noise? That's right. Bring your ass over here. Now bang on the damn floor slash ceiling like you were doing just now. Don't be scared, bitch. Come on. No, don't be pretending now. Don't be fake now. It's time to keep it real. Yeah, that's what I thought. Uh huh. That's the noise I was expecting. That's the noise I was hearing. What is that? Hey, apartment 23, what is that noise that's causing all that creaking in your floor? Now come over here with it. Come on, apartment 23, follow me over here with that creaking noise. Come on. Come on over here. Like you've been doing all night long. Follow